Hello, my name is Matt Nolf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of propane parts and propane forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in the Clark C530 through the C550. It has the Waukesha engine, the D155, and it also covers the D176, and we'll show you what comes in this kit. Okay, now on the kits that we carry two different styles. Basically, there's the KP, which stands for the kit partial, which is for a forklift that's already on propane, and you just want to update the system to a newer style system. And then there's the KC kit, which is kit complete, which will cover a forklift that was on gasoline to where you need everything, the brackets, the connections to the tank. So basically the one we have up here is the KC kit, okay? Now it'll come with your tank brackets to mount your tank, your latches, your locating pin, your hardware for it. The most crucial part of the kit is the carburetor, okay? Now on the Waukesha D155 and the D176, it's an updraft system, so it comes with the double linkage. So all your carburetor is going to be custom built for that unit. That is the toughest part, because obviously you got to be able to match your center to center. You want to be able to match your air horn, so all that'll connect to your original stuff. So, and then we'll give you all the hardware that you need to come with the kit. All your connections to your tank, your fittings, your fuel pump cover block with the gasket. It comes with the bracket to hold your regulator and lock off together. These are the IMCO style units. You'll also get a new vapor hose going from your carburetor outlet to the regulator. You'll get your water hose, your vacuum hose, and you'll get all your new high pressure LP hose. Now what we do is we leave all the hoses long. We don't assemble all this, but we'll dry fit it all together. That way you got a good idea of how it already goes, and then that way you can assemble it and position in what way you want. So that's what comes into the kit. Okay, now that we've showed you what comes in the kit, basically like I explained, the KP is for a partial kit for a truck that's already been on an LP system. You just want to update it. The KC is the complete. If you're interested in this kit, you can go to our website at P&G Technologies, go to the forklift side of our website, click on the Clark forklift, and you'll be able to see this C500 30 through 50 with the Waukesha engine. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.